Welcome to Product Critique, where we take an in-depth look at the gear that powers your performance. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best road bike carbon fiber Shimano pedal on the market, the Ultegra PD-R8000 by Shimano. At first glance, the Ultegra PD-R8000 stands out with a sleek, professional design built for performance. This pedal is specifically engineered for serious road cyclists who demand more than just functionality. They want power, durability, and that competitive edge. And that's exactly what this delivers. Let's talk build. The PD-R8000 is constructed with a carbon composite body that brings the weight down while retaining high rigidity. It's paired with a stainless steel body plate that resists wear and tear, meaning this pedal is ready to withstand thousands of hard miles without losing its edge. Coming in at only 255 grams per pair, it's impressively lightweight, which gives you an advantage during climbs and long-distance rides when every gram counts. One of the core benefits of this pedal is its superior power transfer. It features a wide bearing placement and an extra-wide platform, better load distribution across the pedal surface and more efficient power delivery from your legs to your bike. It's designed to make sure none of your energy goes to waste, so you get the most out of every pedal stroke. Another standout feature is adjustability. The Ultegra PD-R8000 allows you to customize your pedal feel through adjustable entry and release tension settings. Whether you're a beginner wanting easier clip-ins or a racer who prefers a tight, responsive feel, you're in control. This level of customization is rarely found at this price point. Speaking of price, this product brings pro-level performance without the pro-level cost. You get the feel and function of high-end Shimano engineering in a more affordable package, which makes it a great choice for both competitive riders and weekend warriors. Now, while this isn't the official Shimano version, Shimano's design replicates the features of the PD-R8000 to an impressive degree. It's compatible with the Shimano SPD-SL cleat system, meaning it integrates perfectly into an existing Shimano setup without forcing you to change your gear or habits. It's also worth noting that while this particular product may currently be unavailable, it's still worth watching for restocks or looking for similar models that offer the same performance benchmarks. If you can get your hands on it, it's a value-packed pedal upgrade that delivers results. So, whether you're training for your next century ride or just want to push harder on weekend loops, the Ultegra PD-R8000 provides the platform to level up. With its balance of strength, weight, and adjustability, it's hard not to recommend it for cyclists looking for peak performance on the road. That wraps up today's breakdown. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment with your thoughts or questions. And subscribe to Product Critique for more deep dives into the best cycling and fitness gear. Ride smart, ride strong. See you in the next one.